Walmart just quietly dropped its first ever on 4K stick, and it's already showing up in stores. And, as usual with Walmart's on streaming devices, there was no big launch, no official announcement, and no clear release date. It just kind of appeared. A Reddit user reportedly found one at a Walmart in Texas, sitting there among older on HD stick models, and even managed to buy the only box on the shelf. So whether you want to call this a leak or a soft launch, the new on 4K streaming stick is real, and it's officially making its first appearance. What makes this one interesting is that it's Walmart's first 4K stick format. Up to now, all of Walmart's 4K on streamers have been set-top boxes. This new model seems to be aiming for a more compact, plug-and-play design, and the box specs line up with the leak from last week. That should put it ahead of the regular on 4K box, but still below the on 4K Plus. It also comes with 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and Wi-Fi 5. The price? Reportedly $30. That lands it right between Walmart's two budget 4K options, the $24.88 on 4K box and the $39.88 on 4K Plus. It also appears to use USB-C for power and supports Dolby Atmos. One thing that's still unclear though is HDR support, since that wasn't listed on the box. And there's more coming too. Walmart is also expected to release a second gen on 4K Pro as its new flagship streaming device. So for now, this new on 4K stick may not be widely available yet, and it probably wasn't even supposed to hit shelves this early. But if this is the start of a wider rollout, we'll likely see more of them show up in stores and eventually on Walmart's website over the next few weeks.